Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check Presto Card Balance. So in order to do that, first of all launch any web browser, and then all you have to do is type in www.prestocard.ca. Now once you come to the website, just make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then simply tap on the three lines option that you see at the top right corner. Now over here, simply tap on the option of Account. Then tap on the option of Manage My Cards that you see on top. Here we go. Now once you come here, in case if you have added your card, you would be able to tap on the option of your card, and then from there you would be able to check your Presto Card Balance. So if you are still confused, you can tap on the option of Chat at the right hand side. With that, you will be directed to this page. You can send your questions and queries to Presto Virtual Assistant about how you can check your Presto Card Balance. So this is it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.